Hi, welcome to a Network 180 video. In this video we will be taking a look at reporting in the LMS system. We will be going over obtaining a student transcript, running a report on a specific class, and running custom reports. Let's start with taking a look at obtaining a student transcript. In the LMS site we are going to go under Reports, and then we will go to Transcripts. From here, we can use the drop-down to select a student name. Then we'll click Submit. To be able to print the generated transcript, just use the Printer button located in the upper right-hand corner. Now let's take a look at running a report on a specific class. We will go back to the Reports section. Then we will choose Test and Course Completions. We will need to choose from a class from the drop-down list. Click on Show Demographic and Filters. Then you can select your organization from the drop-down list. Select a start date. Please make sure this is prior to the class date. Then click Submit. Once the report is generated, you may export to Excel using the CSV button. And the last thing we're going to take a look at is creating a custom report. In the LMS site, we're going to go under Reports and then go to Custom Reports. We're going to create a new custom report. From our primary table, we will choose Classes. From Fields, we will choose our class name. From the link table, choose Student Class Activity. From the select fields, choose last name, first name, generic 2, and generic 3. Please note that generic 2 is the organization and generic 3 is the program. We'll then click Next. We will then select the order in which we would like the categories displayed. For our purposes, we're going to set the last name as the first field, first name as the second field, class name as the third, generic 2 as the fourth, and generic 3 as the fifth fields. We'll then click Next. If you would like to narrow your search results, you can use filters. We'll click Add a new filter. This will allow you to filter your search by the categories chosen for your search. We will choose generic 2. Please remember that generic 2 represents the organization. Starts with, and then we can enter our agency. You may also filter by date. So we would select date instead of generic 2. We would choose greater than or less than, and then we would enter a date. Click Next. We will enter display name, and we will click Run Without Saving. If you wish to save this custom report, you may click Run and Save. Once our report has been generated, to export your report, you can click the Download CSV button. This will export it to a CSV file, which you can then open in Excel.